So from the series of calculations on this question, we discover that actually Sarah is wrong. She has not made a profit. Let us see. So we discover that because, let me just freeze myself off there, then we can start afresh. We discover that Sarah is wrong because she did not make a profit of more than 30%. Why? Because after the multipliers, we discovered that 65 pounds is equivalent to 30%, but she sold a total of 64. So that in itself is 30%, is a 30% profit. This is below 30%, if you can see that. Yeah? That's below 30%. How do we know this? It's simple and straightforward. I can show you more methods. Let's have a go at that. I can show you how you work out that. Simply because if you notice there, the 50 times 1.3 gave us 65. So this is a profit at 30%, but let us see 50 times, we don't know the multiplier, we put chi. The answer we got for what she sold was actually 64. So now if we solve this 50, the big X there is equal to 64, we divide throughout by 50 on both sides. If we simplify this now, we are going to simplify this side, and let's start with yes, how many 50s are in 64? Is simply 150. Remainder is a 14 there. Okay? We add a 0 point. How many 50s are in 140? Is 28. So you can see this is working as 28%. So Sarah is wrong. She hasn't made a profit. Sarah is wrong. She hasn't made a profit. That's one way you can check it. Another way to check this, you can simply make, look, she sold this at 64 pounds and she made a profit of 14 pounds. So what percentage is it? The percentage of the profit over the original cost times 100. That's how you do it. So I told you before, you do that, 14 times that, 50 times that, so you have 140. Yeah. 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 1,400 divided by 50. That goes. How many 5s are in 14? It is 2. So how many 5s are in 40? It is 8. 28%. So we see that 28%, yeah, 28% is actually less than 30%. So Sarah is totally wrong, or Lizzie is totally wrong. She hasn't made a profit. This is how you conclude on such a question. Excellent. So I think we have time. No, not quite so. I think we need to end here. Another session class is coming on. So I'd like you to continue looking through this past paper. The next session we explore the other questions which are in this paper. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you play back 100 times these video clips so that you can understand how this was answered. Thank you very much.